115, 116, 117. Hey guys, good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. So after a long time I am leaving for a ride with my friend. So today I am going to Kelwa beach. Well, if the Kelwa beach is open or the police allow me, or else we'll see. Now till Safale I have open roads, highways. And by the way, by the angle of the GoPro, you might have understood that I am using a different setup now, because I have finally brought a new helmet. I brought the Exor Apex Hunter. Finally, man. And talking about this helmet, well, let's continue the ride. Well, I just turned off the camera to show you the beautiful fog. Damn, man, when it's not raining and there is such fog and good weather, most importantly, riding is fun, man. Okay, done around 32 kilometers from Thane. Well, so far the ride is going good. My helmet is doing good. Setting up the helmet was a task with the mic and the GoPro attachment. Well, the mic, talking about the mic, the removing of the paddings was a bit easy, but while putting it back, the interiors were not so helpful. And the helmet is good, the fit overall, the reduction of the wind blast from the earlier helmet from which I used Vega. Well, and my Vega helmet was a flip helmet, so yeah, it is this one is a full face helmet, which is helping me a lot. And in my earlier video, I think in my Lonavala video, I ended the vlog unexpectedly, because most of the part the audio was not recorded. I don't know, some GoPro mic adapter glitch or the GoPro glitch. So yeah, that happens a lot with me. Today I'm shooting at 2.7K 60 FPS. Rest settings are on auto and GoPro color. Let's check out the output. I hope my audio is clear. The angle not might be good, but yeah, ये राइड में चला लेंगे, नेक्स्ट राइड में थोड़ा सा एडजस्ट कर लेंगे. Well, I've stopped at the middle of the road because the helmet was too tight. So yeah, taken a break, almost near Safai. More 32 kilometers to go. The road is open and beautiful, man. The fog is still there. It's almost 8:39. And yes, Kawasaki. Well, taken the left turn from the highway and now going to Safai. This road is till the checkpost, and the road is pretty good. The condition of the road is pretty good. You can easily maintain 50-60 speeds because there are no speed breakers. Okay, near this beautiful view, man. Damn, man, looks so beautiful. And the last time I was here, I think when I went to Sinchan Lake, there was shooting going on here, so I couldn't record. Fog. Let's directly meet at Kelwa Beach. Next, the Ghat section is there. I don't think I will record a lot because last time the condition of the Ghat was not so good. So yeah. Okay, so I have reached near Kelwa Beach. This is the entrance for Kelwa Beach. Let's see what is it. थोड़ा अंदर जाके बताता हूँ. Well, I've entered the beach, and on the gate there are some charges for entry, and for two-wheelers there are no parking charge, but for four-wheelers I think there is a parking charge, 20 rupees something, and per person 5 rupees. So yeah, that's good. The beach looks clean. Okay, so the beach is quite clean, as you can see. Okay, it got overexposed. Yeah, the beach is not crowded. It's weekends still. Okay, so now it's around 12 o'clock, and as you can see, the place has started to get a bit crowdy, and the horse riding has also started. There you go. You can do dirt biking and a lot of stuff, cycling also. So yeah, now we are leaving Kelwa Beach because there is nothing much more to do. See you on the road. Okay, so now we are leaving Kelwa Beach. We enjoyed for 4 hours I guess on the beach. Took some photos, few videos, and now it's crowded and we are leaving. Let's meet directly at the highway. Okay, so now we have touched the highway, and as you can see, the roads are pretty well maintained. I can maintain easily 100, which yes, I crossed just now. I crossed 112 actually. Hundred and 11, 112, 113, 115, 116, 117, 'I hope my GoPro keeps up with the wind blast. After a long time, I'm revving my engine so hard. After riding for almost 30 kilometers non-stop at a constant speed of 90, 120, well, now we are stuck in this traffic. More 20 kilometers till Thane. And this is the traffic we get. Well, let's directly meet in Thane, and I will end the video, I guess, on my bike only. Okay, so finally the traffic, okay, the traffic is still not over. This is not traffic, it's actually trucks. Okay, so we are almost in Thane. So Now I think I will end my video over here. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button, comment your thoughts and share this video. Thank you.